What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I've been neglecting y'all for the last couple days, man. But I won't miss another day. I'll make sure I keep giving you guys that daily content. Um, just a lot juggling businesses and trying to make time for everything. But no excuses, man. So y'all hit the sub button. Make sure you guys um, are subbed and make sure you guys get the notifications when I post new videos. Because I always got some fire for y'all. Always got a new perspective for y'all. Um, all right, but let me just give you guys a little sales update. Let you guys know what the fuck been going on, man. Um, so today, so far, I already got two sales. It's 4:36 p.m. where I live. Um, Man, stuff has been trying to be more consistent. I've been waiting on my tier 1000 for like forever now. Um, but I know they still haven't changed everybody's dashboards, so they're probably gonna wait till they change everybody's dashboards before a new tier up. So I've just been cranking out a shit ton of designs and seeing what happens. Now I'm at 555 sales. Um, so we kicking it up, man. We kicking it up. So let's look at this month so far. Let's go look at the analytics this month. And I'm just gonna click United States because I never sell in these other. It's almost a waste of time unless you're really doing your research or you just got so many slots where whatever. But when we get the new dashboard, I will be selling in different marketplaces. So yeah, so far this is what this month's been looking like. It's been looking like 2 1 2 1 2 3. I had a 7 one day, and it was actually funny. I don't know if any of you guys are in the Facebook merch momentum group, but I made a post about these 7 sales and me making $0. So I'll talk to you about that in a little bit. So I made 38 sales. Only made $68 so far. Average royalty 178. Yeah, and my royalty is really low because I never changed back all of those shirts that I made 1307. And this month they're selling like fucking hotcakes. I have so many new shirts that have never ever sold to sell this month. So I don't have a problem with that. I feel like this is setting me up for my next tier. Having a bunch more stuff ranking, having more wiggle room with the new design rule, and plus the tier up, I'll have a shit ton of space to do a lot of things. Um, Record day was $11. Let's see. So I've sold 35 t-shirts, 3 Apple cases. See, when you remember when I told you guys I wasn't selling any women's shirts? Look at me now, So I tried out some new things. It's one thing that a lot of people need to learn about, selling versus women and versus men shirts, and knowing who your target audience is so important. And just understand that men like the bigger, bolder font, and women like the more feminine, more skinny, like more cursive, more, you know, little text. They don't want it so big. So once I started implementing that, I started selling a lot more women's shirts. So just the perspective things for you guys. If you wonder why you can't sell women's shirts, that's probably it. You're using too many masculine fonts. So yeah. Top colors. Black is always number one. Navy, I use navy every time because I really like navy. But I got a little bit of everything in here. Red, green, you guys see the colors. I ain't gonna bore you with reading that. And let's go to sales. So this is why my royalties are always low, because this is always gonna be my number one seller. And what makes me angry, it's the most basicest shirt that I probably have, you know. It's literally the most basic shirt ever. One word, black. Um, I mean, I have a different colors on it, but um, don't sleep on the evergreens, man. Don't sleep on the evergreens that may get you one sale a day or two sales a day. That shit add up, you know. This shirt has sold over 100 times, and I keep this price really low because every time I change the price, it stops selling. So I just gotta be fine with getting a little bit of something and letting that go towards my tier up. Now this shirt right here, this is what pissed me off, okay? So this shirt was something that never sold before. Um, I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, damn, I want to get in one of these really high traffic niches, but they're really crowded. So I was like, man, let me draw up like 5 to 10 designs, see if one of those sells. If one of those sells, I'll just start building up on that one. Literally, probably like an hour, maybe not even an hour later than I posted, 7 sold at one time. So I couldn't put the price up on it. So I got 7 sales and got $0. So it probably wouldn't have sold 7 times if, you know, I put the price up on it. But still, I was still pretty pissed about this. Usually when I get sales like that, when it's like 7, 10, you know, shirts at one time, it's usually somebody buying it from a store or trying to put it up in their shop and resell it. So, um, yeah, so there goes that. It hasn't sold again after that. Um, these one right here, if they're 17, I mean they're 18.99 and 9.99 up. They're usually my, you know, all the shirts that I have on the first page. This is on the first page. This is on the first page. I don't remember what this one is. This isn't on the first page. It's like first, second page. It's still 17.99. Um, most of these shirts that are selling are in like some are evergreens, a lot of weed shirts. Let's see what else we got down here. And just more things that haven't sold. These all these three if you can kind of see the preview a little bit. This is a shirt where I made one design and scaled the fuck out of it. You know, took a sentence and changed the last word. Like for example, best teacher ever, best mom ever, best blah blah ever. You know, something like that. That's not what I did, but you know, just to get in the gist of, you know, what I mean by that. Um, and these are ones that I was doing last month, and I was putting 1307. So if I ever get sales from now on that had the 00, that's from the month where I turned everything to 1307. All those designs that I put up, and 3 of them sold out of it. So I expect this to sell more coming soon. Of course, I bumped up the price because this is something that's kind of, it's not trending, but it's something that's going on in the world right now. So it's very relevant. So I know that it will sell again in the future. But yeah, that's how this month is going. All the new shirts I've been posting been $7.99. I mean $17.99 to $19.99. I'm not really putting any shirts up there from lower. All the ones that I have up for low, I'm just gonna change when they sell. I'm not gonna change them. It's gonna take too long. But as you can see, I haven't missed a day or missed a sale since the first. So things are starting to pick up. You know, it's starting to be summertime. Kids are starting to get out of school, getting that about to get to back to school shopping. So hopefully stuff ramps up. Probably start selling more tank tops and stuff. One thing I wanted to ask, you know, before I get off this video, and tell me your opinion if you made it through this whole video. I've been fighting with myself about doing the top niches, giving you guys niches every week. Because I seen this other YouTuber talking about it and saying that it's fucking up merch and the people that really do the dedicated work to find the niches, and then there's those people that just, will come on mine or go on certain people's Ryan Hogues and, get those niches. Is it bad for merch, or should I start doing it? So let me know in your opinion in the comment section. Should I do top niches of the week? Would you guys like that? Is that something that you guys would tune into? And just let me know how you guys feel about that. But for further ado, man, you guys have a blessed day. Get to the money. No days off. Till next time. Do you need help finding profitable niches? You need help designing, finding vectors and things to go in your shirts, fonts. Well, if you do, come on over to my Gumroad store. Um, I have a niche research list of thousands and thousands of different occupations you've never heard of, hobbies, passions, animals, things that'll help you tremendously. And that's only $5. I also have these two font packs right here. Every month I'll have a new font pack. And then right here is a vector pack. It's up for $19.99. And because I love you guys so much and you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to give it to you for $5. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to set the code right here. And here's the discount code right here, MyMerch420. Right before checkout, it's going to ask you for a discount code. And you just type that in and you can get it for $5, okay? So, I love y'all. And be back for the next video. Make sure y'all hit that sub button.